Bwana asifiwe. Mwathani agoshwo. Ngeithia iciarera Mwathani agoshwo. Family ya Maitu Gradwell na our parish minister na kanitha wothe na andu aria mokire umuthi gucakaya Maitu ni ndamugeithia. Mwathani agoshwo. Ngauga ni ngenete muno ni kuona ati itura ritu no turathie na mbere oria twikaga gukorwo tugikinya haria turendeka. Ngai witu igaga ni wega guthie haria andu mararira niguo momiririe na mugayane kieha na maithori maria menamo, tondu family no itu mutangiukire tukorwo no ithui tukire turi aika ni tungigua tutiganeirio. And our cousins, and our children around, I would like to just send my condolences and to ask you to be strengthened by the fact that God is with you. He will never leave you. He will never forsake you. God gave you a wonderful mother, a wonderful grandmother, great grandmother, and the Bible says that God will reward a good person with great age, and God will be with them even in the gray hair. And He will cause those people to see their fourth generation. Is our mother that kind? Maito ito arare mundu murathime. Tondu kirikaniro kiugaga ati Ngai witu agakorwo ena ithui na ikare nginya riria tukagia njuiri nginya tukorwo na mbui na tumetuone rũciaro rwa kana. Ũguo nĩguo Maitu arĩ na wendo ũrĩa aronanirie na ũrĩa tukoretwo nake na ũrĩa ikaranĩtie na family yake. Twĩragwo tukamamenya na maciaro. Nĩmuonete maciaro ma Maitu? Nĩmuonete wega wake? Tugacoka tukirwo mutumia uria ngatha ni uria wetigirite Ngai na uria oreraga family yake wega na ni arerete family yake wega, ni arorete maisha make makoretwo mega na ni njui nginya kanitha. Korwo hihi ndaikarire tigirite Ngai nginya kuhuruka gwake, gitambaya giki kiigirirwo hau gitingire orika tiguo kanitha. Oguo kwina uira ati Maitu aratengerire ihenya, ararikia wega, and today we can surely say she has run a good race, she has finished, and she has rested. No na ithui tuikarite tuiuria atiriri, we uratengera ihenya riaku uikaire atia? Tondaigua ni mwaina ni mukonana nake ri, ni mwaina na Jesu mwana wa Ngai, mutamumenya mutikamuona na ni ndubwera kaingi no twarie ciugo nyingi. But if you are not saved and you don't know Christ, you have no relationship, I can guarantee you from where I stand as a pastor, you will not see her. So you need to rethink and also be saved like she was, and you'll be able to meet her. So farewell, our mother. We'll meet again. God bless you.